Hi, I'm Erin with DoMyOwn.com. When treating your home with pest control products, safety comes first. Here are some key precautions to follow. Before applying any products, make sure children and pets are safely out of the treatment area. Prepare the area by cleaning up the space and putting away toys, pet bowls, food, and other personal items. If any product is spilled, clean it up, following the specific directions on the product label. Allow the product to fully dry before allowing kids or pets to return to the area. Drying time varies by product, usually around an hour, but always check the label for the exact timing. Store all pest control and lawn products the same way you would household cleaning supplies, safely out of the reach of children and pets. Store in the original labeled containers, out of direct sunlight, and in a temperature-controlled area. Use chemical-resistant gloves or nitrile gloves, depending on the product. Long sleeves, long pants, closed shoes, and eye protection when handling or applying. Change clothing immediately afterward, wash hands thoroughly, and launder work clothes separately. Follow all label instructions and always apply the product according to the manufacturer's instructions. It will have things like frequency, location, dosage, and indoor use, and more. This ensures effective results and safe use. You should use exclusion, like sealing gaps, screens, sanitation, removal of food, water, and clutter, habitat modification, in addition to the pesticides to aid in treatment. Target breeding or harboring sites, for example, standing water or leaf piles, to reduce these pests. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos. For more information, if you have specific questions, visit DoMyOwn.com.